All right, good morning, everybody. Okay, let's get started. Right, starting in the States, major indices pretty much unchanged yesterday, recovering from morning weakness. We saw that weakness come in probably just after the US opened. Notice the DAX came off hard, 60, 70 points. US sold off quite quickly, and that was partly due to pending home sales that came in pretty weak. But same pattern as we've seen for most of the last few years. Slow grind back to positive. Tesla Motors rallied on news that Panasonic would invest in its US battery factory that's been in the pipeline for a little while now. And then Herbalife tumbled after hours after reporting earnings that had missed analyst estimates. In Asia, you can see green pretty much right across the board. Following the US's recovery. We had insurance in China, insurers like in China, New China Life, that sold off on talks of regulatory tightening. And in Tokyo, we had retailers that bounced after household spending came in better than expected. In South Korea, shares led higher by sharp rallies in Kia, Hyundai, and Samsung. Right, the chart of interest of the day is just showing the comparison PE ratios from the biotech industry that everyone is saying is in a bubble at the moment in comparison to the internet bubble of 99. You can see in 99 it got up to 237, which is completely ridiculous on average. And the biotech's at 73.4. So that actually means nothing, but just sort of a chart of interest. Corporate action today, coming out of the US earnings, we've got Merck, Pfizer, United Parcel Service, Amgen, and American Express. I mean, key factors we're looking for, jobless rates came in a little worse than expected in Japan. Retail trade also a little bit less. And then import price index out of Germany, bang on line. Money supply to SA just came out at 7.24%. SA private sector credit year on year, 8.69%. And then later out of the UK, we've got mortgage approvals, M4 money supply, and then South African unemployment coming out at 1 o'clock, and US consumer confidence at 4. All right, let's have a look at the maps, as Joe would say. The first one I'm going to show is Sasol. Sasol is one we've shown recently. A couple of sessions ago, it broke out from this flag and moved higher, probably about halfway to the target, and then in recent sessions has come off Friday, or Thursday, Friday, and Monday. Has come off a bit again. We're getting close to testing that breakout point and the 50-day moving average. I think if we get a reversal from any of these levels, it could be a good buying opportunity. We've seen the other resources, the sector trading pretty well. So reversal from these sort of levels could send us back up to our target of around 650, 660 pretty quickly. Next one I wanted to show was Growth Point. This one we tweeted yesterday. I just need to get a slightly longer dated chart. All right, so here we see a bit of an inverse head and shoulders forming here. Well, it's actually formed, it broke through yesterday. A pretty decent target of growth point. We're looking at a measured move from this breakout to around 26.30. Obviously, a pretty good setup here, and look for some follow through. If you're trading in the sector. Next one I want to show is Pick n Pay. Another one we tweeted yesterday. Broadening formation breakout. This is another one that's similar to Vodacom at the moment. Sort of it's been owned for so long, been under pressure for so long, and then once they get going, there's just no stopping them. And this sort of setup where it just moves sideways after such a strong move for so long is sort of the inevitable is eventually going to happen, and it's going to break out to the top, which happened now. Target on Pick n Pay from this breakout is well, the immediate target would be 62 sort of minimum. We had a pretty strong day out of the whole banking sector yesterday. Some of the banks, really getting going. Standard Bank has sort of been a bit of a lagger, and it broke out yesterday. Well, it actually broke out probably 2 sessions ago. Broke out on Thursday. Had a bit of a negative session on Friday, but yesterday sort of really ramped up. Closed around 149. Target, big picture target from this. Bit of a symmetrical triangle that it's broken out of is well into the 50s, so I would expect that there's going to be some more follow through in Standard Bank, possibly paying catch up to the likes of First Rand and Absa. And then the last one I wanted to show was Discovery. Discovery broke out recently to make a new high sort of in mid-June. Came back and tested that level, came back and tested it again, and now is holding just above this this little consolidation here at, let's see if we can get the level, around about 98, just under 97, or 97.50. It's been under pressure a little bit the last couple of sessions, but not selling off really. We get a decent reversal day from here. I would find it very hard to believe that we're not going to go and retest the highs back last year, going through 100 rand. And that's all for today, guys. Good luck trading.
thing.
914, that's very nice features. Well done. Fuck me.
Quite big, like everything's too big. Shoulders are like this, but you've got to be safe with these size and it has to be this big, you know?
Exactly.
Especially when you're on
No, that's why we chose that one, because it's
you put all your
tactical.
forms and
Exactly. The other ones were slightly too small, you couldn't get to them.
yeah, that's what I mean. Plus, because if you carry this one, it's all you need to carry, you need to carry this one.
Exactly. So we could even throw an iPad in it as well.
Exactly.
Yeah. Nice, bro. Nice. I like it.
What is today going to bring us? 212 point constitutions already. That tells us, right? Where's Spiky? Spiky! Did you gym session last night or did you decide to just go home and punish? You go to gym every day? Right, Spiky.
A walk.
Since there was a raging incident there, I decided not to go there anymore.
That's up to you guys.
There's pictures of you on the trees.
Yeah, exactly.
Have you seen this man?
Couldn't believe it. Right beneath the stop team going there.